Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Thank you so much for tuning in. My today's look is inspired by Hina Khan. She recently attended the Dubai Fashion Week and she slayed in a beautiful golden tangerine kanjivaram sari with mogra in her hair. So she looked like a perfect combo of modern yet traditional. And I had to do this look because so many of you requested me to. I hope you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, let's get this started. I'm going to start with my eye makeup today just because I have the darker colors like the browns and the blacks, and if there's any fallout before I apply my base makeup on my face, I can wipe it off. So for that, I'm going to first prime my lids with the 24-hour Photo Finish Primer from Smashbox. With some loose powder, I'm going to set this just above the crease, not on the lids, because I'm planning to have a cream base on the lids, and it's harder to blend a cream base when you have powder on your lids. From my Smashbox Full Exposure palette, first I'm taking this off-white shimmer to highlight my brow bones. For transition, I'm taking this light brown color and this will go in the inner and outer corners first, and then I will blend it through the crease. To intensify the crease, I'm taking a darker brown color and I will be repeating the previous step with a smaller blending brush. This will go in the inner and outer corners, and then I will blend it through the crease, and then I will blend this color with the transition color using my Sigma E40 blending brush. Anytime you do a black smoky eye, make sure there's a black cream base like a kajal or a black gel liner or even an eye pencil which is black. And then you apply the black eyeshadow over it. That way the color is more intense. As the base, I'm going to be using my Maybelline gel liner in black. Starting with my lash line, I will go just below my crease and saturate my entire lid. And over this, I will be using the black eyeshadow as I explained before, and I will blend out the edges with a Wet n Wild dispersed blending brush so it blends in with the transition color. Although her eye look is pretty intense, her face is very dewy. She's gone for a very fresh look. So to get that dewy finish, I'm going to be priming my face twice. The first one is the O2O Rose Gold Exhilar. It has a very oily touch to it, so it's going to give me that dewy finish. And over this, I'm going to be using the NYX Photo Loving Primer to hide all my pores because it has silica in it. And it will also help flatten my skin before I apply any foundation to get that seamless, flawless finish. The next step would be to neutralize and even out my skin tone. And for that, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Color Corrector in areas where I have dark patches, dark circles, as well as dark spots. I'm going to blend this out with a damp beauty sponge and then set it with a loose powder from Artistry. By setting it with a loose or a translucent powder, it's not going to mix with the foundation that's coming up next. To get that dewy finish, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is the Dewy Plus Smooth in the color Sandy Beige. To conceal and highlight, I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. This is in the color Medium. This product dries up fairly quickly, so I'll be working in sections, starting with under eyes. I'm going to blend it out with a damp beauty sponge and then set it with the loose powder before I move to the other high points of my face. For a very light contour, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild contour stick. I'm going to be using this in the hollows of my face as well as the circumference of my face, and then I will blend everything out again with a damp beauty sponge. With the Jordana Forever Flawless Press Powder, I'm going to be setting just my T-zone because that's where I sweat. I don't want to set my entire face because I want the look to be dewy. Before I move back to my eye makeup to finish it up, I'm going to dust some loose powder under my eyes. So in case there's any fallout from the blacks and the browns, it's easier to dust it off later when you have loose powder underneath. Using the Jordana eye pencil in black, I'm going to first tightline my waterline. Using the black eyeshadow, I'm going to set my lower waterline, and then I will bring the eyeshadow to my lash line as well, and then I will smoke it out using a pencil brush. Next, I'm curling my lashes and applying mascara. The one that I'm using today is from Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Length Mascara. And for lashes, I'm using Harjot in Exotic. To add some warmth to my face, I'm using the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. And for blush, I'm using Heartfelt from Coastal Scents. I'm trying to keep the look as dewy as possible, so I'm going to be using a liquid highlighter today from Sigma. This is called Afterglow. On her lips, she had a very peach-toned nude color with a lip gloss. So I'm going to be using a lipstick and a lip gloss as well. First for lipstick, I'm using the Kate Nude collection from Rimmel in the shade 46. And over this, I'm going to be using the Artistry Lip Gloss in Pink Nude. And here's the completed look. Let me know what you thought of it by commenting below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. This is such a fabulous look for a wedding guest or any important occasion that you might be attending for that matter. I think the black smoky eyes instantly give that bold, don't mess with me kind of a look. Let me know if you can comfortably carry this look by commenting below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you again next week with brand new videos. Bye guys.